no plans. Just chillin'. Bye.
Ah, Sophie, you sound exactly like someone planning a surprise party.
Oh, no.
Hey everyone, welcome back to EnglishUp. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
Today's story, I almost ruined the surprise.
Ooh, surprise party stress is real.
Mike, please tell me you've spilled the beans before.
Once, my sister's sweet 16, I texted her, quote, "What time should I bring the cake?"
You texted the birthday girl?
I corrected myself 2 seconds later. She'd already seen it.
So she pretended to be surprised at the party?
Oh, she did. 12 years later, she still teases me about it every birthday.
That's a good sister. Today's story is the same flavor. Close call, heart in the right place.
3 quick words to listen for first.
Vocabulary preview.
3 quick words today. Let's start with gift.
Gift.
What's a gift?
Something you give someone. Same as a present. A birthday gift, a Christmas gift.
Right. Wrapping paper, ribbon, bow, gift.
Our next word is candle.
Candle.
A small wax stick with a flame. Birthday candle. Scented candle.
Traditionally, 1 candle for each year of age.
So my birthday cake takes a fire extinguisher now.
Same. And finally, cake.
Cake.
Cake. The whole point of a birthday party, honestly.
Real talk. Same.
Gift. Candle. Cake. Let's hear what happens to Sophie.
Sophie, hide the cake. She's pulling up to the building.
Got it. Wait. Oh, no, it's her calling.
Just play it cool. Answer like nothing's happening.
Hey, May, what's up?
Where is everybody? I texted Emma and she didn't answer all afternoon.
Oh, she's probably napping. Long day.
At 5 p.m.?
Just come over at 6. We'll hang out. No big plans. No surprise. I mean, just chill. Blow out some homework after.
Blow out homework?
I mean, blow off. Blow off homework.
Sophie, you sound a little weird. Yep, totally normal. See you at 6. Bye.
I totally messed up.
You said blow out. She heard you.
Head in hands. I spilled the beans, didn't I?
She's at the door. Everyone, get down. Lights off. Lights off. Surprise.
Surprise! Oh my gosh, you guys! I had no idea!
Make a wish, May.
Okay.
Wishing and there.
So, blow out the candles, huh? Real subtle.
Wait, you knew?
From the second you panicked on the phone. But it was the best surprise. Thank you, Sophie.
I am never planning a surprise again.
Yeah, you will. Marcus's birthday is next month. What just happened?
Okay, that ending got me. May's a good friend.
Right? She let Sophie have the moment, even after Sophie blew it.
That's the secret to a good surprise. It's not really about the surprise. It's about the effort.
Did you ever pull off a clean surprise?
Once, for my mom. We hid in the kitchen for 40 minutes.
40 minutes? Did anyone need a bathroom break?
My uncle. Twice. Don't ask.
Ryan got 5 really useful phrases. Sophie got 5 really useful phrases out of that close call. After the break, we'll go through them.
Language takeaway.
First, let's break down play it cool.
Play it cool.
Mike, what does play it cool mean?
To stay calm and act normal, especially when you're really nervous or excited.
Emma told Sophie, just play it cool. You can also use it every day, like your crush walks in, just play it cool.
Or don't show your dad you broke the lamp. Play it cool until he forgets.
Spill the beans.
Spill the beans. To accidentally tell a secret. Sophie almost spilled the beans about the cake.
Or don't spill the beans. It's a surprise.
Or my little brother always spills the beans about Christmas presents.
Next up, mess up.
Mess up. To make a mistake or do something wrong. Sophie said, I totally messed up.
Or I messed up the math problem. Or don't mess up your room right after cleaning it.
The next phrase is blow out.
Blow out. To make a flame go out by blowing on it. Like blow out the candles.
Or for the wind. A strong wind blew out the campfire.
And finally, make a wish.
Make a wish. To silently hope for something, usually with eyes closed. Emma told May, make a wish.
Or a shooting star. Quick, make a wish.
5 phrases. Play it cool, spill the beans, mess up, blow out, and make a wish. Let's hear the whole story one more time and catch every detail.
Shh.
Sophie, hide the cake. She's pulling up.
Got it.
Oh no, it's her calling.
Play it cool. Just answer normally.
Hey, May. What's up?
Where is everybody? Emma's not answering.
Oh, she's napping. Long day.
At 5 p.m.?
Come at 6. We'll hang out. No big plans. No surprise. Just chill. Blow out some homework.
Blow out homework?
Blow off. Blow off homework.
Sophie, you sound weird.
Yep. See you at 6. Bye. I totally messed up.
You said blow out. She heard you.
Head in hands. I spilled the beans.
She's here. Get down.
Surprise! 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 Surprise!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Make a wish, May.
Wishing. And there.
Blow out the candles, huh? Subtle.
You knew?
From the second you panicked. Best surprise ever. Thank you.
Cultural note. Quick culture note. In Taiwan, birthdays are usually small. Family dinner, longevity noodles, maybe a cake from a local bakery. Surprise parties are more an American thing.
Right. In the US, surprise parties are a whole event. Decorations, hidden guests, the whole production.
But across both cultures, the words are the same. Make a wish, blow out the candles, that universal moment.
If you ever throw a surprise party, the most important phrase is, play it cool. Trust me.
Today's recap.
Today's words: gift, candle, cake. Phrases: play it cool, spill the beans, mess up, blow out, and make a wish.
Use spill the beans the next time someone almost gives away a secret. It's the most fun one.
Your turn. Have you ever almost ruined a surprise? Or thrown a clean one? Tell us in the comments.
Bonus points if you've ever texted the birthday person by mistake. We've all been there.
And tell us what real-life situation you want us to cover next time.
If you're enjoying EnglishUp, smash that like button and subscribe.
And next time you plan something secret, play it cool. See you next time on English Up. Bye!